So hello guys, uh, today again I am here and I bring you some tips and techniques about your YouTube videos. In the part 1 I give you some tips and techniques, and today again I am going to give you some tips and techniques. Guys, uh, sometime I am busy because I have too many things to do, so I skip some days. I don't upload the videos, so that doesn't mean I will not upload any videos. So many of my subscriber comments, why you are not uploading, and have you finished your channel? So no, I have the channel, and inshallah from now I will try my best to upload the videos daily. I will fix the time. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start, and I will give you some tips and techniques about the YouTube Shorts and the videos. So guys, the first technique, don't use the content, or you don't use the videos for other people. Content you can use it, yani you can take the idea from the videos, from the for the yani other videos you can get the idea, and after that you can use your voice, your face, and create the video. Even sometimes the people yani, they take the voice what we have from before, and just they make the lip singing. Okay, okay, this is good, and it helps you to make viral, or but try to use your lip singing. Take the dialogues from there and use your voice, because your voice and your language, whatever language you are using, if you live in village or anywhere, so it can be viral, yani not like the other people's, yani you will get your different identity. Okay, you are from there and you are um, uh, say Sharik Naeem, or yani whatever your channel name is. Okay, so don't take the videos from other channel and upload it. This is the big mistake. Okay, now we come on the second point. Catch your timing. What does this mean, catch your timing? Yani you have to upload your videos every day, or one video in a day, or two videos in a day, but on time, because you know your subscribers are very clever and mashallah you guys are very clever, and if they like your channel, so they need you, they need something from you. I give you the example. Suppose the drama serial. If you will see, if there is any drama, there is a timing. Okay, on this timing, you will see on this day. Okay, why? Because the people knows we will not wait until this time, but this time we have to watch it. Okay, so like this, if you are uploading the video, fix the time, like 6 p.m. You will upload the video, so your subscriber will know, okay, on this time they will get the new videos, they will get the new information. If you have the channel for software, hardware, or even you have the vlog channel, so the people will know, okay, uh, the video will upload on this time. Okay, the third one, call to action. What does it mean? Call to action means, once you create your video, so during the video you should ask the subscriber, or ask the people who's watching your videos about like, share, and comments. Like I am saying, please subscribe my channel and like and share. But the timing also is very important in this like, share, and comments. Why? Because if you will say in the beginning, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, they don't know how is the video, what is the content. So if you say in the middle, I'm in the middle of the video, so okay, I said, but I will not tell you now. The best timing is end of the video, when the people will watch your video, and they will satisfy, or they will like your video, then you can ask in the last, please subscribe my channel or share my channel or like my videos. Okay, because sometimes your subscriber or people watch your videos, but they forget to like and subscribe. They like your videos, they want to subscribe, but they forget, because now you are watching my video and you did not like until now. So okay, so you have to be careful. You should ask them about to like, sharing, and whatever. The fun activities. This is very important in your videos, especially if you have vlogs channel. Okay, there should be the fun during the video. If you have a channel like me, this channel, so okay, if you are serious, also here you can make a little bit fun, so the people will take more interest. If you are too much serious, the some people doesn't like this. Okay, well, they are sitting, no smile, nothing. So use some funny moment in your videos, and uh, you can make a joke or whatever you want. Okay, so you know better than me. Okay, the thumbnail is very important in your videos, because thumbnail will attract the subscriber or the people who's watching your videos, who want to watch, because the people search the videos, and if they find a good or attractive thumbnail, they come to your video. And your thumbnail should be clear, because sometimes I see the thumbnail is not clear, and yani, or the people forget to put the thumbnail, and uh, the people doesn't know what is the video, yani which topic you are using for the video. So if you are using Canva, so put the Canva picture, the Canva tips and tricks, or Photoshop, or if you have vlog, so you can use your thumbnail. So thumbnail or title should be catchy. Okay. The engagement is very important for your videos, because if someone is doing comments on your videos, so you should give the reply, you should give the answer, or even you can give the emoji or the love sign or thumb. Okay, so and how you can engage with your subscriber, you should go live, because live is not only increase the subscriber or the views. Live is important for engaging, communicating with the people, with the subscriber, because if we say sometime hello YouTube family. So YouTube family, when you come in the YouTube and monetization, or you are uploading the video, so you are the part of the YouTube family. So please go live and connect with the with your subscriber or other people. Okay, the trend topics. This is one of the most important thing to get viral. If there is any current activity in the world, or any trending videos, so you can be a part of this trend. Like now there was some problem with the Pakistan and India, and everyone wanted to watch this news, or um, some funny things or memes, or so it's whatever we have in trend. Does any of the music, any of the host, so anything, like there was one video was viral, our potty over here. So this type of videos you can, you should be in trend. Okay, great gone brand. Brand means it's when you are uploading the videos. So why you are uploading, what is your talent? Show your talent to the people. You can make comedy, you can teach, you can advice or whatever. So show your talent, and you will be the brand for the YouTube once you will be inshallah famous. Okay. One of the thing also with brand, your voice, your video quality should be good, so the people will watch and they will come again to your videos. Okay. Now tag, yani when you make a video and you put hashtag this, so use this hashtags. This is very important. What is the famous videos you watch related from your topic? You can write the title and make the hashtag with that. Yani, if you are making the tips and techniques about the Canva, just write hashtag Canva, hashtag Canva tips and tricks, hashtag this. Okay. So this is also very important. One last but not least is promote your videos on other platform, on other social media platform, because YouTube give you the place to upload the videos, but you can promote your videos in your Facebook, in your Instagram, in your Snapchat, or on different place. Okay, so what will happen? The people will watch the videos. If there is your views are not coming on YouTube, maybe it will come on the Instagram. And not only this, when the you can put the link for the YouTube videos in other platform, or you can share with your friends or family. So once they will watch, you will get more views and more subscribers. Okay, so these points I wanted to share you because I shared my experience, what I faced in the beginning. I don't want to make trouble for you while you are uploading. So I shared with you my experience, and I shared the things what I received and I do. Okay, guys, so these was the tips, and now this is the last end of the video, so I can ask you, please, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you are already my subscriber, so please like and subscribe, like and share my videos. Okay, so guys, inshallah, like this type of informative videos, I will be here. So till the next video, take care.